got a candle as well for when there's no electric. That's always useful, isn't it?
I think I was using it to melt something.
Ah.
I can't remember what. But
I better do well under this table if you've got to move it at some point.
yes.
I'll go and get the other tool, wherever it's gone. It's not too bad under there, there's still a bit.
A little one to get. Oh yeah.
Got a lid.
Oh damn, I looked everywhere for that.
Did you hear?
There's a big one there.
Yeah.
No.
No, it's too big for this tool. I'll go back to the middle of the room and do this last.
Okay.
As I've got vacuum over there.
Oh dear.
The before and after.
Yes.
That's nice once that's dusted. So satisfying it is to see dust go.
I don't think this has looked as good when it was a bedroom either.
That's a piece of, I don't know, concrete or something from the wall. There's stuff behind there. Keep looking at little bits, but they're stuck.
That's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
It's amazing. You've been very thorough everywhere, and then when you look, well, there's a bit there. Where does it come from?
Oh yeah.
I mean, that's what my kitchen, when I cleaned it, and you look round and there's stuff messed up again.
Yeah.
Don't bother.
That's because I didn't finish this side.
Yeah.
When you done it rapidly. Oh. What happens then? Maybe I just...
Oh, touch the plug box. I don't make a mess anymore now.
Good. Well, if you do, you'll have to call me back. On this side. Now she does that. That's just swallowed. That plastic bit, no problem. spider web here.
Dangling from the ceiling.
Pardon?
Yeah, you got it.
In front of it. Oh, there's plenty over here.
Yes. I'll tell you where you will find some, I'll bet, behind this door.
Oh, yes. And here.
There's a fat one in the corner of the door.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh dear.
That's not bad, though. There might be some more. Should I go round? Because there's one dangling to the light.
Oh my goodness me, yeah.
Right, put along the bottom.
I see what happens. The case slips against the...
Yes, it does. Some of the resistance cases.
Have you hoovered a ceiling before?
No, not like this. I've put around the things at home. Not.
What was that?
Just I knocked
Oh.
against the edge.
I thought something enormous had gone up the pipe.
Oh no, no. I'm very careful. I don't want to lose anything.
Let me come round.
Pardon?
I'll come round. You're getting further away.
Oh yeah. Oh, big one here.
Can you reach?
Huh?
There's one there dangling in the...
Oh yeah, that there. Yeah.
There's one here.
Here?
That's it, you got
Oh
it.
yeah.
I think I missed it on the camera because I was looking at the...
I'll
Here
go
we are.
there. Above the light and see if there's anything there. Careful where my hoover goes.
Well, I'll come around this way to see what you're up to.
Yes, that's the light.
I don't want you hoovering up the railway. Oh no, that's...
Oh no, I'll be sacked now. It's just a bit more...
It's not the first time it's happened.
Huh?
It's not the first time, because when I lean across, I often ended up with that dangling off my jumper. Oh no, it's moved again now.
I think that's it, really.
I think so. I think you've done a superb job.
Oh, good, thank you.
Well, it's disgusting. Hopefully, now it shouldn't get into a mess again. That was 2 years you just hoovered up. 2 years of throwaway landscaping and so on. That's amazing.
You've been very clean, really.
Honestly, it's not been swept or anything for 2 years, so that must be a record on your hoovering, mustn't it?
Yeah, it would be.
Are you ready to go?
I am ready to go. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.